Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prebell with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajashekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst. I am part of MarketSmith India team, which manages model portfolio. Before we go ahead into this podcast, the disclaimer is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Here is a Nifty's daily chart taken from our website. And if you are following our mailers, which are morning and evening mailers, you would have known that we have changed the market status to rally attempt. And because the Nifty has bottomed out around this level, the- so for the near term, this is going to be the bottom and crucial level for the Nifty. And currently, we are in a rally attempt, and we are waiting for a follow-through session. Yesterday's session was very good, but the gain was not satisfying. That we need around 1.5% or more gain on the Nifty index to change the market status to confirm the trend. Until then, we'll be looking out for stocks which are forming the right side of the base patterns or which are near the pivots, and we are starting to build buy watch list as well. So currently we do not have any stocks in portfolio. Once this FTD occurs, we will change the market status to confirm the trend and we will be start adding stocks to portfolio. On the downside, as I mentioned, this level is going to be a very crucial level. If that level is breached, again we will be changing the market status to downtrend. And going forward, there is some kind of resistance for the Nifty. These levels are going to act as the resistance, and moving averages such as 50 and 100 DMAs are also going to be some kind of key levels on the upside. And reclaiming those levels is very crucial for the Nifty to find the required momentum, not just for Nifty. Once the Nifty reclaims these levels, broader market indices will also be in a bullish mode, and stocks will also be most of the stocks will also find momentum to take the stock after breaking out from the base patterns. Moving on to key news section, as the ending season is going on, many companies are coming up with their September quarter results. Tata Motors has come up with their numbers. Revenue for the quarter has increased 32% to almost 1 trillion rupees. And Jaguar Land Rover's revenue has also increased nearly more than 30% to $6.8 billion of billions of dollars. On the bottom line front, the company has reported a profit of 3,700 crores when compared to a loss of 945 crores in the corresponding quarter last year. So overall, on the outset, the results are looking good. Let's see how the market reacts. Container Corporation of India has also come up with their numbers. The revenue has increased nearly 10% to 2,200 crores of rupees. Profit on the other side increased more than 21% to 368 crores of rupees. Gujarat Gas come up with their numbers. Revenue increased slightly to 1.7% to 1,300 crores of rupees. On the bottom line front, it has increased more than 37% to almost 300 crores of rupees, backed up by good operational performance and good EBITDA margin. Britannia has commenced its production in a plant in Bihar. And today, two stocks are going to list on the NSE. One is Shantala FMCG Products with an issue price of 91 rupees per share. And other company is Paragon Finance Specialty Chemicals, which will list with a issue price of 100 rupees per share. And coming to the companies which are reporting results during the session and during the after hours as well are MRF, Zomato, IDFC, Titan Company, Indigo Paints, and Interglobe Aviation, Aegis Logistics, Bharat Dynamics are some of the major companies. And there are other small and mid-cap companies are also coming up with their results. And if you have any of these stocks in your portfolio, these stocks which we have discussed recently, now please be watchful, or there might be some volatile action happening in these stocks. Talking about the global update, US market closed in the positive territory. Three major indices, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, are closed more than 0.4 to 0.7% in the range. Asia markets also trading in the positive territory. So on the overall global cues are on the positive side. SGX, this Nifty is also indicating a positive opening around 100 to 200 point higher opening. So we might see a gap up opening similar to yesterday on the Nifty index. Coming to the chart of the day, we picked Craftsman Automation. Currently, it is forming right side of the base pattern, and the volume is also above average, which is very good. The stock has recently reclaimed its moving averages as well. And coming to other parameters which are important as well, EPS is at 94, indicating a strong fundamental character that is reflected from its earnings. Recent 2 quarters earnings are not good, but even though the previous quarter earnings are very good, of growth of around 30 to 40%. Technical parameters are also looking very good. Price strength of 72 is good. Number of funds has increased more than 21%, which is also very good. Shares held by the funds have increased nearly 2.3%. Overall, it is looking good. Once Nifty gives a FTD, stocks like these will definitely be outperformers. Stock is still 4% to pivot, and let's see how the Nifty caps up, and if there is good follow through buying also in the today's session, we might see a follow through day as well. Then we might change the market status to confirm the trend and add stocks to portfolio. Thanks for joining today's pre-bill. Have a good trading session.